Welcome to Akude Textiles, located at Solapur city, in Maharashtra state, country India. Solapur is famous for chadors and towels from long time, you can say more than 100 years. We are in this field since 1942, about 70 years. With starting from manufacturer and supplier of textiles supporting color and chemicals. And hence we came in this field more than 70 years. By observing this field is continuously developing and demand in textile industry. We enter in textile market by stating making towels in our own double jacquard power looms. Founder Shri Ravindra Madhav Akude in 1998. With the knowledge of chemistry of color and chemicals. We build goodwill in our product of full-figure multi-color towels with strong demanding customer base. With the challenging demand of white towel, we entered in white towel manufacturing with setup of in-house dyeing plant. We got famous in pure cotton, yarn dyed, white towel, with demanding customer base. With the brand name of Ravi Towels. We capture major cities of India as well as indirect export and merchant export also. We become specialist of supplier of hotels and hospitals sector, with logo and brand name weaving on towels. Our factory situated in 1 acre land, with in-house dyeing unit, winding unit, warping unit, weaving unit, checking section, packing section, dispatch section. Let's go to visit our manufacturing unit. Warping machine. It comes under back process supporting unit. Convert yarn from cone to beam. Beams are used on towel manufacturing machine, called as loom. We have two types of warping machine. For power looms, and another one is for high-speed auto repair looms. This is primary winding machine, comes under back process unit, which is used to convert yarn hang to come form. This is power loom, with double jacquard design technique. Jacquard used for design making on towel. This is high-speed computer-controlled automatic repair loom with Dobby for design making on towel. With a strong customer base and skilled technical staff. We started our manufacturing from 8,000 kilograms per month and still continuously increasing. So-called Japanese philosophy, Kaizen, means continuous improvement. We build in-house infrastructure with advanced dyeing plant with boiler. Designed and development by engineer Mr. Hemant Ravindra Akude. By observing trend of modernization, we build unit of high-speed auto looms. Towel stitching section. Using Zuki high-speed stitching machine with perfect corner lock stitch. Quality checking section. Where every towel check for quality inspection with length, width, weight, stitches lock. And such a total 8-point quality check. Packing section. After quality inspection check, towel folded as per client requirements. Packed in polybag and box packing, and it is ready to dispatch. Our distributor chain and clients are in metro cities in India like Surat, Ahmedabad, Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, South India etc. and export also. With USP of perfect size, perfect weight, perfect quality and in-time delivery. With support of social compliance in our industry. We support and treat our factory staff as a family. And give support to staff's children for good education, life and training also. So, if you like our products, contact our team on accuditex@gmail.com. You can visit our website also www.accuditextiles.com. Thank you for watching.